Question number 16. A cube of side 1 centimeter has a resistance between its opposite edges, 50 ohms. Okay, the material is shaped into a block of length 4 centimeter constant cross section. Which means what? You are not going to add any mass to it. You are just going to pull it like this, right? So therefore, the volume is going to be a constant. What is the volume of this 1 cube? Because it's a cube. What is the volume of this? Now he says constant square cross section, which means this is B and this is also B, right? So the volume of this one would be L into B into H, which will be 4 into B square, which is 4B square. So from here, what can I get? I can write 1 is equal to 4B square, or I can get the value of B is equal to 1 by 4 square root, which is equal to half. So we got this one here. Now what is the next thing? What is the resistance of the block between the two ends? What is the resistance over here? So as we know, resistance is equal to rho L divided by A. I do not know the value of rho. Let it be. So therefore, rho into what's the value of L? 4 centimeter divided by what's the value of A? A is nothing but this area of cross section, which will be B into B square. B square, which will be 4 rho divided by 1 by 4, which should be equal to 16 rho. But I need to get the value of rho. How do I get the value of rho? Now let us look at this. The resistance for this one was be 50 is equal to rho into L was 1 divided by A was 1. So therefore, rho is equal to 50. What I will do is I will write is rho equal to 50 here. 16 multiplied by 50, which should now be equal to 800 ohms. Thus, the correct answer is C. Okay.